So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your assignment rule on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here. And after that select this profile icon and now select Access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon and go with this option called assignment rules. And after that you can see your assignment rule right here. Now just put your cursor on your assignment rule name and you can see this 3-dot option. Now just select it and it will show you two options, clone and delete. Now select delete and now again select delete button. And now you have successfully deleted your assignment rule on Zoho CRM. So that's how you guys can able to delete your assignment rule on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.